What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Starting off this video right where I ended yesterday's video. But right now we're about to head to 412 Motorsport. Joseph is unfortunately, I don't know if he is, but he texted me right now and he said, please come to the shop. I'm selling my F80. So I think he's selling his F80, guys. The blue BMW F80 M3 that you guys always see him on vlogs. He might be selling it, so it's very sad. I don't believe him. I feel like he's lying to me. I feel like he just wants me to go to the shop right now, but we're gonna head to the shop. We got the homie Amza and the other homies in the Raptor. So we'll see what we get into today. I don't know what we're doing, but we'll figure it out. We'll make a cool vlog. That's just taking a lot of gas or what?
You're just making me pay for the gas shit up there, dog.
Bro, that's a big ass truck, dude. The gas is horrible in the E92, guys. V8, but imagine that big ass V8. Hell no. Woo! This is what happened.
No, my man Jonathan shot me a DM and fucking, yo, like, I want your car. He screenshot a fucking flight. I knew that guy was serious.
I don't believe you, bro.
Flew in this morning, came down to Super Street Toyo meet, checked out the car.
Just had to have it, huh?
He was like, you know, feel me, it's it.
I feel like you're lying to me, bro. There's no way.
About driving back to Arizona.
Damn, that's gonna be a fast drive.
Yeah. I wanna go with him.
It's about to be a fast ass drive, huh? Look at this, guys. Last photo shoot.
Pissed, bro.
I'm pissed, bro.
It's okay. You'll see a Huracan soon.
Hopefully. Who wants to see a 412 rear-wheel drive Huracan? Everyone go bug Joseph. E-brake in a Huracan, imagine, guys. Bro, I still don't believe Joseph. I feel like in 5 minutes he's gonna be like, I'm kidding, I would never sell it. You guys think he actually sold it? I don't know.
He told me, yo, let's go drift this shit.
Alright guys, he's gonna rev it real quick so we can get one last revving shot.
That shit fucking hurt.
Bro, it's so loud.
Bro. It's like,
I was covering my ears this time. Yesterday, I almost went deaf, bro. I was behind this guy's car.
it's recording.
I'll put that clip in right here. It was the loudest pop I've ever heard.
Shit, I'm not touching the car anymore. What the fuck? I'm trying to get the screenshot.
He's trying to see the flame. Pause it and then do it.
Yeah, it's paused.
Oh my god, bro. That is crazy. All these F80s are freaking crazy. So loud. That one's, I think, that might be the loudest actually. We're about to whip the Raptor. Bro, this truck is so big. I don't know if I can drive it. Oh shit! It's a lot different than my M3. Look at this.
she's lifted.
It looks like my car's even more slammed than it is.
Hey, it's a perfect vlogging car, huh?
Guys, I swear I'm gonna invest in a Raptor, I think now. All the homies in here too. You guys see them,
homie.
There's like 5 people in this car. It's comfortable. Oh my god, and it has a big ass V8 in it.
It's a V8, bro. Straight pipe.
That shit's loud, dude. Look at all these Camaros at getting 85 too. That shit's sick, bro. God damn. Cam ZL1. Woo. Are you happy? Bro, I'm so jealous. I'm about to buy it back off of you.
Let me know. How did it look rolling?
Bro, the sickest M3. Everyone's gonna roast you in the comments right now. Why did you sell it? If anybody lives in Arizona, you might see him cruising over there. I don't know what part of Arizona, but he'll be all over Arizona over here. That shit's gonna be wild. Joseph actually sold it, guys. I kind of wish that I bought it. It would have been so sick to been able to buy it, but I don't know. Joseph wanted a little bit more money. I understand, this car is freaking fully built. Same price as like a GTR that I was looking at, so I don't know, it was a hard decision. And another reason why you guys should not be mad at me for not buying it is that everything's done. There's nothing for me to possibly do, no content, nothing. If I were to buy F80 stock, I would be able to do everything myself, upgrade the turbos, full bolts and stuff, and you guys would get to see like the whole process. If I bought this, it's completely done and there's nothing I could possibly do. I wouldn't do anything, so there'll be no content made. So maybe if I get one, I'm probably gonna make it exactly like this. Same wheel setup, same cage setup, roll, full carbon fiber.
A few moments later.
Bro. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. As you guys can probably tell, we are not in the E92 today. We're not in my car. We're actually in my mom's car, so we got the mom car out here. Tonight we're heading to LA. We're gonna meet up with the homie Zane. If you guys remember Zane, he's the owner of the Lamborghini SV that you guys have seen in my vlogs. It used to be white, and then he wrapped it blue. He took me for a ride in it before. You guys have seen it plenty of times. But Zane hit me up tonight and he said, bro, I'm shipping my car back to New York tomorrow. He is from New York and he is unfortunately shipping his car back home tomorrow. So that means tonight is his last night in LA. And he hit me up, he told me let's do something, let's make a vlog before he heads back. We're gonna go to Rodeo Drive. It's also very late in the day, it's almost 8 p.m. and I'm barely starting a video. So I'm gonna try to make a full vlog for you guys tonight. It should be a pretty cool night, pretty lit. Every time we're with Zane and he has this Aventador out, it's pretty lit. A lot of people commenting about the earrings last video. I didn't even mention it, I just said, guys, something's different, right? I think like half and half of you guys actually like the earrings and said that you like it and just rock it, but a lot of other people did not like it at all. It's just an earring, I could always take them out. And also the OG people who watch my vlogs know that I used to have plugs in my ears. They were black and I wore them every single day for like years. And then finally I took them out, didn't wear earrings for like a whole year, and now I don't know, I'm just rocking something different. But anyways, we're on our way to Rodeo Drive. Let's hurry up and get there and start this vlog. So we made it to Rodeo Drive, the first time not in my M3. I hear him. Oh my god, dude, I did not remember Zane's car being this loud. I swear, guys, that's the best sounding car. Comment down below, what do you guys think is the best sounding car in the world? I don't know, just hear it idle. You can feel the car idling. You wanna race? Wow.
Awesome.
Is this the ride for tonight? You like my new earring?
Oh shit. You look like Bad Bunny.
A lot of people were saying that actually. God damn, bro. Bonus egg?
I need to step it up.
No, dude. I need to step it up, bro. Oh,
you're about
shit.
to, don't worry.
I know, soon. Bro, that's crazy. That's like almost $2 million in cars right there. And a 720. Is that a 720? I think it is. Bro, that shit is... God, bro. That shit is stick shift too. Another one? Bro, look at the wing on that thing. Aventador boys. Alright, we just met up at this gas station. We got a bunch of crazy cars here. And another Aventador. I don't know, what's the plan? Zane's about to leave his Aventador at the gas station while we go somewhere for these guys to do donuts. We don't want to take the SV because cops might pull up and I won't be good. Everyone's saying he's a crazy driver, so let's see. This shit is crazy. This shit legit looks like a Batmobile, bro.
So we're backing up right now.
So that just happened.
Bro. Oh my god. Dude.
Put up your windows.
What is going on?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit.